Okay, so we are at the bunkhouse of Braemar Lodge Hotel, and we are currently packing. It's around 12:30 at night, and we're going to leave at around 4:30 a.m. in the morning. So here is all the kits, and we're going to pack it and see whether it works. Here is the northbound gear, 50-litre backpack. Currently it's got a tent and most of the kits, but luckily we do have another backpack, and as you can see we have a lot of food here, so we're going to see whether it fits all in and we'll go from there. It's currently 1:25 a.m. on the 26th of January 2022. We finished packing, and there's Alex's bag, and there's my bag with the northbound gear bag on as a day pack with basically everything on the outside as last resorts. We're going to leave around 4:30 in the morning, drive to a car park, and then start walking into the hills. Okay, so it's 8:30 and we've walked to Derry Lodge, and now we're going to set up a tent and then walk up some hills, walk up some Monroes, and then go from there. How's the tent?
Pretty good. Yeah.
So we've set up the tent and now we're going to walk up a mountain. So I'm going to take the northbound gear backpack as my day pack and see how that goes. Okay, so we made it to the top of the mountain and it's extremely windy, just a bit.
A little bit.
And we have a stunning view behind us. Okay, so today is Thursday and I stopped recording as we were walking back from Derry Cairngorm because it's extremely wet and very windy, and I didn't want to damage my camera. So we're walking to Devil's Point and we left our tent behind back at the campsite near Derry Lodge. So we've probably got about 2 hours of walking ahead of us, and then we're going to decide whether we sleep at the bottom of Devil's Point or walk back to the tent. So today it's quite windy, quite cold, still got damp stuff, so need to get some warmer stuff and spare gloves for next time. So we're at the bothy and we've decided to change plans. We were going to walk up Devil's Point today, which is just up there, but we're a little bit tired, so we're going to stay in the bothy tonight, get up tomorrow morning very early for a sunrise, and then walk back to the tent. But while we walk back, we've got a beautiful sunset, which has sort of been washed out a little bit at the moment, but it looks very nice. Okay, so it's about 7:30. We set off at 20 to 7. And we're on the top of the saddle of Devil's Point. And as you can tell, it's very windy and very cold as well. We're going to get to the top of Devil's Point and watch the sunrise. So we made it to the top, and it's an absolutely stunning view. As you can see quite well, quite far. Looks very nice. And there's Alex. So as you can tell, it's extremely misty and there's a lot of wind up here. It's extremely cold, so we're going to head back down. We didn't get the sunrise that we were expecting, but we can see little bits here and now. Alex is taking some photos, so we're going to head back down, and then maybe I'll get some good videos on the saddle, and then if not, we'll get it at the bothy at the bottom of the saddle. Okay, so we're now at the bottom of Devil's Point. We've just gone past the bothy and we're now walking back to the tent. So it's going to be about another 2-hour walk. And we're just about to go over a bridge. There's Alex. So, long walk. So we've just finished packing up our tent and now we are heading back to the car park. Okay, so we've got past the main bridge and we're about 10 minutes from the car park. So nearly there, nearly towards the end. How are you feeling, Alex?
Yeah, pretty tired.
Yeah.
Very tired.
Same. Okay, so we've just made it back to the car and I'm absolutely exhausted. I think Alex is a little bit exhausted as well. We're probably going to drive back, drive to a pub, and then drive from here to London, and then I need to drive from London back to Plymouth. So this is me ending the video. If you've finished and got all the way to the end, thank you very much for staying, and see you in the next video.